Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Today's readings would like to guide us and would like to ask us this disposition and question whenever we are in front of God in prayer or whenever we deal with everyday life. Are we demanding or are we interceding? Namamagitan ba tayo o sadyang mapaghanap tayo lagi? Demanding ba tayo sa buhay na ito? In today's first reading, we've heard the clamor of the Israelites to Samuel for them to have a king. Appoint us a king, they said to Samuel, because your sons are not following your line. We need a king to govern us like the Philistines would have their own. But Samuel was deeply warning them that you are not rejecting me as their king, but you are rejecting God as your king with such kind of demand. He was also warning them that if you wish to have a king, the following will happen to you. And we've heard a lot of experiences or a lot of things that might happen with such demand. Demanding to God something beyond their grasp. But my dear friends, on the one hand, beautifully in today's gospel, we've heard how people would not demand but would intercede. Namagitan naman sila para sa paralitikong ito na nangangailangan ng paghihilom at ng kabuuan mula kay Jesus. These four men who carried the paralytic, not easily going to Jesus, but they need to break through the roof of that house where Jesus was, so that this man, with their help, with their intercession, can experience healing, can experience the grace of God once more. When we are in front of God, are we demanding or are we interceding? Alam po natin ang karanasan na mabigyan ng madaming demands. It is as if putting every heavy load over our shoulders, over our thoughts. We can even sleep with the demands speaking through us every day. Na kahit Diyos, binibigyan natin ng pasanin at kung ano-ano ang ating sinasabi sa buhay na ito. But the four men humbly interceded for the paralytic. We didn't hear that they were rallying outside. Papasukin nyo kami dahil meron kaming dalang may sakit. But they were humbly interceding. Buong kababaang namagitan. Kaya dahil sa kanilang pamamagitan, naging mabuti ang taong ito. We might be demanding too much, but not interceding well in this life. Kinakailangan po natin ito sa buhay, mga minamahal na kapatid. Kailangan natin ng mga taong mapagpakumbabang namamagitan at hindi mga aroganteng mapaghanap. Dahil kapag masyado tayong mapaghanap, maybe graces and the blessings of the Lord won't show up, but our humble intercession will be there so that God's grace may break through and go through our lives. Let us be all the more interceding when we are in front of God rather than demanding. And we've heard and saw the lesson that through our intercession, God's mercy will break through for us and will be a way for God's healing and mercy to be at work in us.